if you are tired, emotionally drained, or silently fighting something right now, this video is for you. Sometimes the strongest people are the ones suffering quietly. And that is true. They smile normally, they still help other people, they still continue life kahit ang bigat-bigat na sa pakiramdam. And as a woman, madalas tayo yung laging strong for everyone else. Pero bihira tayong kumustahin. So tonight, let's talk about the silent pain, the strong women carry behind their smiles. And maybe this video can remind you that you don't always have to carry everything alone. Okay, strong women cry in silence too. Hindi lang talaga nila pinapakita. Minsan kasi sila yung laging okay sa paningin ng iba, sila yung laging may advice, laging matatag, laging nandyan para sa lahat. Pero you know what, ang totoo, kapag mag-isa na sila o mag-isa na tayo, doon nila unti-unting nilalabas lahat ng bigat. There are nights na nakatulala lang sila, thinking about everything they carry silently. Yung pressure, yung pagod, yung responsibilities, yung disappointments na hindi nila masasabi kahit kanina. At minsan, kahit sila napapagod din maging strong. As a women, parang nasanay na tayo yung nag-aalaga, right? Pero tayo yung umiintindi, tayo yung laging nagbibigay ng comfort sa ibang tao. Pero, who comforts the strong women? Who checks on the women na laging okay lang ako? Kahit minsan habang busy tayong alagaan yung ibang tao, unti-unti na para nating nakakalimutan yung sarili natin. And the saddest part is strong women usually suffer quietly. Yeah, that's true.